Can we ask anybody from Zoom if you have any comment?
Yes, Mr. Chair.
Yeah.
Mr. Chair.
Krishnidi, you recognize?
Yes, Mr. Chair. I just would like to justify my co-sponsorship of this House Bill number 4453. We have heard the justifications to support the approval of this House Bill 4453 from other sponsors of this House Bill. In support of the statement made by our colleagues, our co-sponsor of House Bill 4453, I just would like to add, Mr. Chair, as an creation of executive order from the Office of the President, the ICC has no contempt power. They are just relying on on other body or constitutional body or court for them to issue contempt power. They have to coordinate for this for the court or for the Office of the Ombudsman to issue contempt power. Whereas if it is created by law, they will be given this contempt power, Mr. Chair. One more is the funding, as mentioned already by Congressman Erice. I believe that this, to be independent, it should not rely on the funding coming from the Office of the President, but rather funding coming from the law passed by Congress. I believe that to be independent, Mr. Chair, let us give let us pass a law creating ICC and providing budget for them to really make their functions independent, Mr. Chair. And these are the reasons why, aside from the statement made earlier a while ago, this is the added reason, Mr. Chair, and I believe that this committee should urgently pass the creation of a law providing for the creation of an independent commission against infrastructure corruption Act of 2025, Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Krishnidi, for that brief remark.